The sports arena, which was shut because of the COVID pandemic, saw a revival in 2021. In this video, we'll be going through the major events that happened in the sports worldwide. World Football Body FIFA has unveiled the official mascot of Under 17 Women's World Cup 2022. IBA, an Asiatic lioness representing women power, is the mascot. The tournament will be held in India from October 11 to 30, 2022. India beat Nepal 3-0 to win 2021 SAF Championship final title. This is the 8th SAF Championship title claimed by Indian men's national football team. Previously, the team had won title in 1993, 97, 99, 2005, 2009, 2011 and 2015. With this victory, India is ranked 106th in FIFA rankings 2021. Germany has unveiled the logo for soccer's 2024 European Championship. The logo features an outline of the Henry Delaunay Cup set on the coloured oval outline that resembles the Olympia Stadium's roof. It features colours from flags of UEFA's 55 member nations. The first ping ball day and night test match between India and Australian women was held at Carrara Oval in Queensland, Australia. The Indian team was led by Mithali Raj. The first men's ping ball test match was played between Australia and New Zealand in November 2015. FC Goa beat Mohammedan Sporting to win their maiden Durand Cup football title 1-0 in the final match held at Kolkata. The 2021 Durand Cup was the 130th edition of the Durand Cup, that is the oldest football tournament in Asia. At the 2021 World Wrestling Championship, Indian wrestler Anshu Malik became the first Indian women finalist and also the first female player from India to claim a silver medal in 55 kg freestyle bout. Former Indian batter Rahul Dravid has been appointed as Team India's head coach and he has succeeded Ravi Shastri. Team India has also appointed Lieutenant Paras Mambre as their bowling coach, replacing Bharat Arun. Fencer Bhavani Devi, who made history at the Tokyo Olympics by becoming the first Indian to compete in the sport at the Games, has won Charleroi national competition in France in the individual women sabre event. She is currently ranked 50th in the world and is the top ranked fencer from India. Indian boxer Akash Kumar won the bronze medal at 2021 IIIT Men's World Boxing Championship at Belgrade in Serbia. Akash is the 7th Indian male boxer to win a medal at World Championship. India's Tajamul Islam wins gold medal in World Kickboxing Championship. She is the first Kashmiri girl to have represented India and won the gold medal in under 14 age category in World Kickboxing Championship. The event was held at Cairo in Egypt. Islam defeated Argentina's Lalina in the final. Lionel Messi has won the Ballon d'Or for 7th time after being named as the best player in 2021 by France Football. Ballon d'Or has been handed out yearly to the world's best football player. Legendary Indian athlete Anju Bobby George has been bestowed with the Women of the Year award by World Athletics for grooming talent in the country and for her advocacy of gender equality. Anju Bobby George won the bronze medal in long jump at 2003 World Championship in Athletics in Paris. So that's the major current affairs from sports arena. Now let's test ourselves with an MCQ. India has won the 2021 SAF Championship final title for the 8th time. Which country did India beat in the final? Option A Pakistan, option B Nepal, option C Sri Lanka, option D Bangladesh. You can comment your answers in the comment box below.
We have short-term courses, long-term courses. Short-term courses include crash batches and foundation batch, and long-term courses include regular batches, repeater batches, and long-term weekend batches. For more details regarding our courses, visit our website www.thinkthis.com. The link will be provided in the description box below. Let's design your career. Let's design it together with THiNC Institute of Design. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also click the bell icon. Bye. Stay tuned for more updates.